Hello friends, welcome to the final presentation of tissue. In the second presentation of tissue, we have learned about the muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Here we start with the connective tissue. Connective tissues are classified into the 5 types: blood, areolar, adipose, bone and cartilage. First, blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. It consists of 55% plasma and 45% cells. Blood plasma is slightly yellow colored alkaline fluid. It consists of water, plasma proteins, mineral salts, organic waste material, nutrients material, body secretions, antibodies, antitoxins and gases. Water is about 90 to 92% in plasma. Plasma proteins are about 6 to 8%, that is 60 to 80 gram per unit in blood. Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and prothrombins are present in our blood. Mineral salts like calcium, sodium, potassium, iron, copper, iodine, magnesium, etc. Mineral salts perform various activities such as cell formation, contraction of muscle, transmission of nerve impulses, maintenance of balance between acid and alkalis. Organic waste material. Generally, these are the metabolic product of protein that carried by blood to the excretory organs. For example, urea, uric acid, creatinine, bilirubin and ammonia. Nutrients material, amino acid, glucose, fatty acid, glycerol, vitamins and minerals. Body secretions, for example, hormones maintain the growth, development and metabolism in body. Enzyme act as a catalyst in chemical reactions. Antibodies and antitoxins. Last, gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, etc. Functions of blood. First function, it transports the oxygen from lungs to the tissue and carbon dioxide from tissue to the lungs for excretion. It transports the nutrients material from alimentary tract to the tissue and cell waste material to the excretory organs like kidney. It acts as a vehicle for transportation of hormones and vitamins. It maintains the water balance. It regulates the body temperature. Defense against the invasion of pathogenic organism. It transports the material that clot the blood. It regulates the blood pressure. Second type, areolar connective tissue. Areole means small space. These are the fibrous connective tissue. Fibrocytes are deeper in semi-solid matrix. Fibrocytes are widely separated as yellow elastic fiber and white elastic fiber. Yellow elastic fibers are branched and always appear in single, whereas white elastic fibers are never branched and appear always in bundle. Location, it appear all over the body, which connect and support to the other tissue. For example, below the skin, between muscle, support blood vessels and nerve, gastrointestinal tract, in gland supporting secreting cells. Yellow elastic fibers are present in arteries and white elastic fibers are found in the kidney, lymph node and brain. Functions, it gives the strength, elasticity, connectivity and mechanical supports. Third type is adipose connective tissue. Adipose means fat. These are the loose connective tissue. These cells store triglycerides at the center in large droplet form, whereas nucleus and cytoplasms are periphery of the cell. These cells are present in varying number in matrix of areolar tissue. Location, adipose tissue is found in the subcutaneous layer deeper to skin, surrounded to the heart and kidneys, in the yellow bone marrow and surrounded to the joints and posterior side of eyeball in eye socket. Functions, It decreases the loss of heat through skin. It acts as an energy reserve. It provides specific shape to the limbs and body. It protects the underlying organs from mechanical injury. It supports the underlying organ. In newborn babies, suitable heat is produced by adipose tissue which maintain the body temperature. Fourth type, bone. It is a hard connective tissue. After fully developed of bone, it is made up of 25% water, 30% organic material, 45% inorganic salts. Bone is consist of central means Haversian systems. There are two types of bone, compact bone and cancellous bone. First, compact bone. It is composed of Haversian systems that are oval shaped fitted with each other. A central Haversian canals generally run centrally that contain blood vessels, lymph vessels, capillaries and nerves. The canals are covered by number of concentric plates of bones called as lamellae. Between two lamellae there are tiny space known as lacunae that contains lymph and bone cells called as histiocytes. Central canals and lacunae are connected by little channels called as canaliculi. Through the canaliculi, lymph carries to the histiocytes. Between the Haversian system, there is a small space in which interstitious lamellae located. Second type, cancellous bone. Cancellous bones is composed of thin cylindrical columns named as tuberculi. Spongy bones are loosely aggregate with tubercular and red bone marrow is filled between the space of tuberculi. Functions of bone: movement of body, protect the delicate organ, it act as a storehouse for calcium. Final type of the connective tissue, cartilage. It is specialized type of the fibrous connective tissue. It forms strong framework for the outer part of the ear and nose, for example larynx and trachea. It has a solid matrix and it is classified into the three types: hyaline cartilage, white fibrocartilage and yellow elastic fibrocartilage. Let us start with the first type, hyaline cartilage. It is composed of smooth bluish white tissue. Chondrocytes are present in the group of two or more in matrix. Matrix is solid and smooth. Location: it provides the surface that help for the movement of joints. It forms the costal cartilage for the attachment between the ribs and sternum. It forms the parts of larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchial tube. Functions: it provides the flexibility and smoothness to the surface of bone at the joints for the movement. It protects and covers the joint of bone. Second type of cartilage, white fibrocartilage. It consists of chondrocytes widely scattered with bundle of collagen fibers within the solid matrix. It is a tough and highly flexible tissue. Matrix is solid and smooth. Location: it is surrounded between the vertebrae called as intervertebral disc. It is present between the articulating surface of knee joint. It is located between pubic symphysis that articulate the hip bone anteriorly. Functions: it cover, support and protect the body part. Final type of the cartilage is yellow elastic fibrocartilage. Chondrocytes are present in thread like structure of yellow elastic fiber within the matrix. It forms the pinna of ear, epiglottis and auditory tubes. Function: it cover, support and protect the body parts. Here we have concluded the tissue. Thank you being with me. See you soon in our next presentations. Have a great time.